Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm here today to give you some ideas about how to make the most of this book, Me Haere. It's a big favourite with children and we love performing it in our shows, but there's a lot more that you can do off the mat when you haven't even got the song on, but you might have the book nearby so that you can refer to it, because children are often playing on mats on the floor. There's sometimes even got a road drawn on them, or they might have pieces of puzzle that look like a road. There's all sorts of things, and you'll often see children doing that with vehicles. So I really recommend that when that's happening, refer back to the book to talk about those things in Te Reo Māori. So for example, if they're using a little vehicle like a car, then you could say, oh, that's that a little bit like the car in Me Haere. And having a look at that. Oh, and yes, it's the same colour. It's he waka kakariki, isn't it? And this is he waka kakariki. And somebody else might be using a car that's a different colour, and you could refer to the book to work out how to say that. He waka whiro if it's a red car. He waka kōwhai if it's a yellow car. And then if they're doing something with motorbikes and there's a black one, and you could refer to any kind of colour song to work out the colour, then you say it's a moto paika pango, and the children will be kind of just by osmosis catching on to some of those words. We need to role play that as teachers, and we can refer back to books like the ones in our Te Reo Singalong series and other books with Māori language to bring those words into the play that the children are doing. If you were having for example, several bus toys, you could talk about, okay, so do you remember what colour the bus is in Me Haere? And somebody might remember that it's he pahi kōwhai, a yellow bus, or we've got a yellow bus here. I wonder what this one would be. Do you know this colour in Māori? And so they might know that ma is white, so they could say he pahi ma. So then I wonder what this one is. He pahi kikorangi, or some people say he pahi kahurangi. And so there's lots of things that you can do where you're using the book on the mat, but also using the ideas for the book and having it nearby off the mat. And I really encourage you to do that, because that will expand the learning and embed the learning. Ka kite.